Hello friends, this is Code Capital learn coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I've created an HTML and CSS file. This is the CSS file is empty and HTML I have basic HTML. I will link the CSS also here. Now the first thing here, I will create a button tag using a button. I mean using a button tag, a button, and the class will be animated button. Inside this, I will use an SVG here. I've already copied the SVG. I will paste it simple. So here you can see, but inside the SVG, I will give it a class AR2, and the next here I will use the span tag, and the class will be text. It will be modern button, and again span. Class will be circle. Now again using the same SVG here, and this time I will use the class R1. Now that's all. I will run my live server here, and you can see these SVG and the text modern button. I'm going to CSS to style these boring buttons. The first in the CSS, I will style the button 2 here. Sorry, not the button 2, the animated button. The first thing is position will be its relative, and also display flags, align item center, and the gap will be 4 pixel, and also the padding will be from top to bottom, it will be 16 pixel, and left right 36 pixel. Border will be 4 pixel solid black, and also the border color transparent to give the back black cover, but it's not required. And the font size will be 16 pixel. Background color will be inherit. The next will be border radius, it will be 100 pixel, and font width will be 600. Color green yellow, and also the box shadow will be 000 and 2 pixel green yellow. Cursor will be pointer, overflow will be hidden, and lossless transition will be all 0.6 second, and it will be cubic. The first will be 0.23, the stage 1 the point. Now go to my website. So as you see, the button takes style. Now again there are much style that is lefted, so I mean left, so we are going to add more styling also. Now the next is the animated button, the SVG. We have to style this. First is the position of the SVG will be absolute, and the width will be 24 pixel, and also the field will be, the SVG will be green yellow, and the index will be here, the SVG over the index of SVG, and the transition will be all 0.8 second, cubic, bezier, and also it will be 0.23. And there we go. To my website again, so here you can see the SVG. It appears on the I mean the text, but we will fix this in a moment. I'll only also with, and now as you can see, the next, the animated button. See the dot arr1, which I have given the class 1 SVG, and its right will be 16 pixel. Auto animated button, it will be arr2, and left will be minus 25%. I'm going to my website again. As you can see, it's good. Let's go. I have to give the dot here in order this is a class. As you can see now, it's good, it's a fair code. The next outside animated button circle, this span I have give it in the span tag. The position will be absolute, top 50%, left will be 50%, transform will be translate and will be minus 50%, minus 50%, and the width of this will be 20 pixel. Height will be same as the width. And next is background color, yellow green, and also the border radius 50%, and the next will be opacity will be 0. The last is transition will be all 0.8. Cubic Bezier, it will be 0 says 0.131 and 0.32. That's it. No suggestion here. I think it's one. Now going to again the browser, as you can see, but I will add more styling in order to make the button more animated and more modern. Now the next is I will style it text, position, relative, and it will be z index. Z index will be transform, translate x minus 12 pixel, transition or 0.8 second. I think this I should copy this. Paste it here. Yes. Now the next, I'll say someone power on the button. Box shadow will be 0, 0, 0. Pixel. Transparent in the color will be yes. In the next, border radius. Now I'll show you the preview of this. As you can see, here is good, that's good, that's good. As you can see, the border radius comes on the screen, and this animation looks like this. And also the text color is changing. Here you can see. Now again, I will also add styling for the arr1 and given class arr1 and 2, and the SVGs some hours on the button and the SVG dot arr1. Its right will be 25%. someone hours, error 2 will be left will be 16 pixel. Now with someone hours on the button, the error 1 SVG will be right to minus 25 pixel and the error 2 will be left to 16 pixel. Again going to browser, as you can see the SVGs here, the error 1 SVG is going to the minus 25 pixel and the next is minus 16 pixel coming here, you can see. On the next what we'll do, we will simply say in the animated button someone hour text, selecting the text, the transform with the translate x with 12 pixel. Going to browser again, and you can see a little bit changes occurs. Now the next I would say someone hours on the animated button. I will combine selecting the 2 SVG here, and the field will be this. Go to browser again, as you can see. An animated button is someone active, is also the style for the active. The scale will be 0.95 pixel, 95 not pixel, sorry, and the box shadow will be 0.04 pixel and green yellow. The next I will say animated button hour, styling the circle also, weight will be 220 pixel and height will be same, and opacity will be 1. Let's go to my browser. As you can see, the style has been taken, but I think the SVG is the overlaying on the coming up or on the text. I will see, and you can see I have to put the dot here because it's close. And now let's see again, there we go. As you can see, the modern button and the modern styling in the modern mode. I think that's good. I think you can if you are not you can change the colors and text color if you want, according to you. Whatever you want, you can do this. I hope this will help you, and if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. I have a bunch of videos on the HTML, CSS project, different videos, also Python project, etc. You can check out my channel, and if you like the video, I think you can press the like button, also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.